Hey guys and girls, I hope that my last demonstration was as motivating as it could be, because I'm just frankly just telling you facts, okay? This guy has published a video on YouTube. It got him 420,000. Actually, it's at 440,000, but at the moment of creating the slides, it was only 425,000. We've done the math, okay? At 3% click-through rate and at a 1% conversion rate, that leaves us with 130 people. And like I said, you get paid $65 every time a person purchases through your link. You make $8,000 from one video. And let's assume that you have 10 videos. That makes it 10 times more. So just imagine that if you've had 10 such videos. Now I can tell you this guy has 100 such videos. So you can assume that he's probably right now a millionaire just by promoting Bluehost, the company Bluehost, to people. He's a big promoter of the hosting provider. I don't think he's promoting Bluehost. He's a hostinger promoter, hostinger affiliate. But anyways, let me take you through and walk you through how I have a project, because let me break it down to you. I want to build my Udemy channel to 1 million subscribers. I don't care if I get these subscribers from free traffic or paid traffic. It's not important to me. Now, of course, I'm making some money on the side from publishing Udemy courses. I'm getting a lot of people that are in my zone of influence, which means that I can message them anytime. I can interact with them. I have the student-teacher relationship with these people on my channel. But like I said, I am intending to take it to 1 million. 4 months ago, it was 0. Right now, I'm at 120,000 subscribers. And like I said, I'm intending to take it to 1 million. And the reason why I'm intending to take it to 1 million is because my business plan for the next 6 months is to create as much of those videos about how to create an e-commerce store, because I'm a web developer and I got tired of doing freelance jobs as a web developer, getting paid cash for putting hours of work. And I've seen this opportunity. There's huge opportunity in creating these videos and publishing them and being an affiliate on Bluehost or on any hosting company. With any hosting company, that makes a lot of money. So my next project is to put these videos. Now you might be wondering, how are you going to get traffic to these videos? I have a YouTube channel. It's called Passive Income Gen Z. I only have about 250 subscribers right now. And so you can go ahead and give me a shout out on my channel, give me more subs if you want to. That would help me a lot. But basically, the way I'm intending to grow my channel is by publishing as many of these videos as possible on YouTube and then using the traffic that I have on Udemy to grow my channel. Let me go ahead and show you how I can use Udemy to do this, to achieve this end. All right, so here we are on Udemy. Okay, we are on Udemy right now. This is called the communications section on the dashboard. And here I have access to send as many announcements to my students. This is one of my courses that I've just published recently, okay? It's called Passive Income on Fiverr using Grammarly and Zero Skills. And basically, I have right now at this moment 2016 students. Let's pick a course where I have a lot of students. For example, this one I have about 12,000 or 13,000 students on here. And let's assume that I want to use these 12,000 people to grow a YouTube video. Now you can see right here, I have 0 messages left to send to these people because I have burned all my messages for the month. I have sent them 4 messages this month, which means I cannot send them any more messages. Now, here, the best part about this is that it gives you the open rate of your emails that you send to these people. It also gives you the click-through rate. And so let's assume that I created a video on how to create a blog in 1 hour, and then I published it on YouTube, okay? And let's say that I want to get views. I can come here. I have 4 messages that I can send, which means I have access to 48,000 views. Okay. Now, most of these people are not going to open the email for sure. It's normal. But let's assume that only about 2% of 48,000 views are going to actually open up the email, because I get 4 messages a month. And for 12,000 audience, 12,000 people, that's 48,000 because you multiply it by 4. Now, if I go, let's say, and go in Excel, and I'm terrible at maths, okay, so I'm going to do a quick mathematical equation, 48,000, okay, and let's multiply it by 2%, okay, let's multiply it by 2%. 2%. Okay, so this is 2%. That gets me 960 views. Now you might be telling me, well, we don't trust you. Okay, we don't trust this. Okay, well, if you don't trust me, just wait for a second. I'm going to take you to my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel. It's very humble. I don't really have that much views because it's been there for just the past month or so. So just in 2 months, I created this channel for the past 2 months. There's not many significant views. There are a couple of videos here and there where I have, for example, on this video, I have 700 views, this one 300, this one, for example, 499 in 11 days, which is good for a beginner, for a newbie like me. And you get this course where I've tried to test my theory, okay? How to create an online course marketplace education website. You can see right here that I have over 1,200 views in 2 months. That was only from sending 4 messages, and I'm not lying to you about it. I have sent 4 messages to my students that I already have on my Udemy, and it got me 1,200 views in 2 months. Okay, and so the theory works. And the reason why I'm going to keep publishing videos on Udemy until I have, like I said, I have about 100 videos on Udemy is because I want to grow a million people in terms of traffic, and that will give me access to have, access to 1 million subs. Okay, so 1 million subs. So for these 1 million subs, let's say that I have 100 courses. Okay, 100 courses. It gives me 4 messages each course. That's 400 messages that I get, and so I have access to send 400 messages to 1 million people. Not 1 million people, but I have access to send 400 messages to an audience of 1 million people, okay? And so let's assume that only 1% of those 1 million people will actually ever watch these videos. That leaves us with 10,000 views that I can get per month very easily. And I don't really have to send 400 messages. I can only send something like a 16 messages or something like that. And I'll be left with 384 messages that I can send. And so for each 16 messages, I will get 10,000 views. Okay. And so how many 16s are there in 400? So you can get the point. I'm going to grow my YouTube channel the same way that guy has grown his channel about how to create websites. And I'm going to monetize it the same way as here. Now, you might be arguing, well, you're not an affiliate with any hosting provider. Well, actually, I am. I am an affiliate with a hosting provider called Bluehost. They pay you $65 every time somebody purchases their hosting through your link. That's a perfect way to make money online. So if you've liked this method, please give me a shout out. If you've liked my business plan, actually, this is my business plan. As crazy as it sounds, but sometimes you have to do bizarre things to gain money online, okay? It's not linear. It's not a process that's linear, okay? But basically, I've tried to share the knowledge with you. If you're interested in it, please give me your comments, just comment on it basically. And please, like I said, do not leave a review until you've watched enough of the course to feel like you can leave a good judgment on the quality of the course.